Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Real English News. This is Sharif Akram Yamani. Let's have a look on today's headlines. Veteran legislator Kodila Sivaprasad Rao elected Speaker of Andhra Pradesh Assembly today. Deputy CM Mr. Mahmood Ali inspect Ramazan arrangements in Royal Mass. Sushil Kumar Shinde to replace Prithvi Rajan Chauhan as Maharashtra CM. Onion rates rise, Nasik farmers put blame in hoarders. Obama to send up 300 million advisors to help Iraqi army to repel Israelis. Let's have a look on headlines in details. Veteran legislator Kodal Sivaprasad Rao has been unanimously elected to the fourth Speaker of the Legislative Assembly of Andhra Pradesh by function of the state. Pro Tem Speaker P. Narayanaswamy Naidu today announced election of Kodila amidst while applause for House members. Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu, Leader of Opposition Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Legislative Affairs Minister Yannalma Ramakrishna Naidu and other legislators escorted Kodila to the chair. Kodila, a surgeon by profession, has been elected to the Assembly from Guntur district for the sixth time. He has been a member of the Telugu Desam Party since its inception, has served as a minister in prime portfolios like Home, Major Irrigation, Panchayat Raj, Rural Development, Medical and Health Department in the cabinet of the late N.T. Rama Rao and Chandrababu Naidu. In keeping with tradition, the main opposition YSR Congress has supported Kodila's candidate for the post of Speaker. Upon a request by Legislative Affairs Minister Yannalma Ramakrishna Naidu, Jagan Mohan Reddy signed Kodila's nomination papers for the Speaker's post. The Chief Minister Jagan and others member congratulated Kodila upon his election as Speaker instead. Obama said. Deputy Chief Minister Mahmood Ali on Friday inspects the arrangement being made in Royal Masjid at Public Gardens for announcing Ramadan festival. Accompanied with Nambali MLA Jafar Hussain Mehraj, GHMC Commissioner Sumesh Kumar and other officials, the Deputy Chief went around the masjid to check the prevailing conditions. Mir Mahmood Ali, he said that the government has sanctioned of rupees 3.60 crores for the renovation and restoration works of Royal Masjid. He said that efforts were on the acquired to adjacent structure to carry out activities related to the masjid. The Deputy CM Mahmood Ali directed the official to complete the renovation works before the beginning of the holy month of Ramadan, that is on June 29.
रमज़ान के इंतज़ामात के ताल्लुक़ से मिनिस्टर साहब ने तमाम सिटी के MLAs और कमिश्नर में तय पा गया था जहाँ जहाँ इंतज़ामात है मस्जिदों में की और मक्का मस्जिद, इसके अलावा अतराफ़ के मस्जिदों आज शाही मस्जिद का दौरा किया गया है, जिसमें हम हुसैन मिराज साहब और हमारे कमिश्नर साहब का मसला है वो इंशाल्लाह वो कमिश्नर साहब ने वादा रहेगा। और दूसरी बात ये कि बाज़ के लिए जो भी तरीके से हो सका, चूँकि यहाँ ख़ासतौर से रमज़ान में तरावी में काफ़ी लेडीज़ भी आते हैं। साबिक़ा में आबादी बहुत कम थी, उस हिसाब से लोगों को दिया गया था, और वो दोबारा के चीफ मिनिस्टर और तमाम लोग यहाँ के जो नुमाइंदगी कर चुके हैं।
Prithviraj Chauhan may be replaced as Maharashtra Chief Minister by the Congress leadership and former Union Home Minister. Sushil Kumar Shinde may take place as per sources said, that is Thursday. The pressure to replace Chauhan has been mounting from party's MLA after the deblaze that Congress faced in the 2014 Lok Sabha polls. As per reports doing the rounds for a while now, they supposedly feel that if he is not replaced, now then Congress will be completely wiped out in the upcoming assembly elections in the state. The Congress High Command is also said to be not too happy with Chauhan's style of working. Shinde, 72, who is Congress Dalit face, has reportedly emerged as the fourth runner. He is also said to have a positive image among the rural folks and has been a Gandhi family loyalist for several last years. Sources also said that he might be reluctant to take any active political post after the defeat in the parliamentary elections. Amid apprehensions of onion prices skyrocketing to Rs 100 per kg by October, farmers from India's largest onion field in Nashik, signing that market traders are hoarding and 20 lakhs ton of stock in anticipating of rising demand during the monsoon that will push the prices more higher. According to the farmers, all these traders are part-time politicians and they indulged in hoarding last year as well. Most of 300 odd local market committees that control the prices of onions in Nashik, district of Maharashtra, are dominated by politicals from National Congress Party and BJP. Traders operating in these communities have stocked the summer crop of onion, which they brought from farmers for less than Rs 9 per kg and stored it. Usually onions can be stocked for as long as 6 months and are sold in cities for not less than Rs 30 per kg. Most of the traders finance political leaders during elections and elect local politicians to the Agriculture Produce Marketing Committee. Though the central government has last year circulated to all states the Model APMC Act, which keeps farmers at the center of the policy, its implementation has not taken place, so instead of farmers, the traders remain at the center. US President Barack Obama announced on Thursday that a contingent up to 300 military advisors will be sent to help Iraq's Peshmerga army repel the advance of Sunni insurgents, but insisted that the US would not be dragged into another bloody war in the country. Team will help Iraq counter-offensive against insurgent group Israel, but Obama indicates US air power will be kept in reserve. The troops drawn from US Special Operation Forces will assist the Iraqi military to develop and execute a counter-offensive against the Islamic State of Iraq and Levant, that is ISIS. Their mission is likely to spread to the selection of targets for any future airstrikes. But Obama stopped short of accepting a plea from Baghdad to order US air power into the skies over Iraq immediately. Let's have a look on today's top stories of updates of sports news. Fans lay into captain Gerrard after England loss to Uruguay. Hoping made by England's defeat to Uruguay on Thursday, which has virtually ended Three Lions' chances to qualify for the knockout stages of the World Cup. Fans on social network website signaled out of captain Steven Gerrard for his dreadful performance during the game and held responsible for this shock defeat. Croatia's Oleg says we can win again. Croatia's veteran striker Ivan Oleg expressed confident about winning the next and final Group A clash against Mexico at the Arena Paranovia on June 23. Argentina hope for a better show against Iran. Argentina may have started the FIFA 2014 World Cup campaign with a win against Bosnia and Herzegovina, but they will be looking for a more convincing performance when they face Iran in the next group game on Saturday. Spanish Federation backs coach Del Bosque. The Spanish Soccer Federation, that is RFEF, wants Spain coach Vicente Del Bosque to remain in the job despite the team's failure at the World Cup finals in Brazil, according to the Secretary General Jorge Puig. Japan played too slow against Greece, says coach. The Asian champions were missing their usual pace when moving the ball up the wings and lacked ideas near goal during the Group C match, he added. In the second half, we had more people out there and we should have circulated the ball more quickly, said the Italian. We played way too slowly, that there wasn't much movement and there wasn't much depth, says Mr. Coach. Today's stock markets news updates. Indian shares fell for the third straight session on Friday, hitting their lowest close in over 2 weeks as blue chip slips on Iraq violence led rise evolution. Sensex 25,105.5 with a minus 0.38%, whereas Nifty for today stand with 7,511.45 with minus 0.39%. Let's have a look on today's updates of gold and silver as per Malabar Golds. According to Malabar Golds, today's gold rates at Friday 28 June is as follows. For 22 carats of gold for 10 grams it's rupees 26,780, whereas 24 carats of gold for 10 grams it's rupees 28,320. Silver rates for today for 10 grams it's rupees 484. Let's have a look on today's weather report of 6 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 35 degrees Celsius. Mehbubnagar minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 35 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius and maximum 31 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius and maximum 37 degrees Celsius. Medak minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 35 degrees Celsius. Whereas today's temperature of Khammam district stands with minimum as 27 degrees Celsius and maximum 34 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. Veteran legislator Kodila Sivaprasad Rao elected Speaker of Andhra Pradesh Assembly today. Deputy CM Mr. Mahmood Ali inspect Ramazan arrangements in Royal Mass. Sushil Kumar Shinde to replace Prithviraj Chavan as Maharashtra CM. Onion rates rise, Nasik farmers put blame in hoarders. Obama to send up 300 million advisors to help Iraqi army to repel Israelis. That's all in this newscast for today. Keep watching Real English News. This is Sharif Akram Yamani. Sign off. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.